Hi, welcome to Paigefamily Homestead. As you can see, we have the garage. Finally came today. Beautiful. It's all been set here, set on, and it's all leveled up right now. The only thing is, the window's in the right spot, but there was supposed to be a man door over here.
Instead
But
of
they put it over here. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna take that and put it over there,
yeah, that'll work.
because that's where the backyard starts. So, but the window's in the, actually the window was supposed to be down here. I'll show you the plan later. But it's okay, it's still good, I got a garage.
Well, look at that. It's a barn. It's a shed. It's a garage. Andy. Oh my. It's big. And they've got it back that in beside this little woodshed here at the side of the house. They de-limbed the tree a little bit and cut the eaves off this little shed to make it fit. And the door, it's on the wrong side. Here we go. Oh my. I like the color, hon. Is that the color you picked?
Yep.
Oh boy. I get nervous too watching stuff like this. I imagine they do so many of these. Oh my God, yeah, look at the length of the mirror on that truck. Wow. Andy, are you excited? Please fit, please fit. Don't need no complications. And they got that little pulley machine in there. I get nervous backing up my damn truck into a parking spot. Yeah.
I'd have taken out that garage before I even got that tree done.
Woohoo. This is the fun part, Clint. Hey? Yeah. Lifting it right off the wheels. Oh my gosh. I thought he said you only have this much room on the other side.
Yeah, that's why he's moving the truck this way.
Okay.
His auto leveler was pushing it that way because your driveway must be tilted this way.
Oh, supposed to be leveled. He came here yesterday.
Not level probably for a 20-ton truck.
Maybe.
Guy's good though.
No kidding.
Smell that.
Probably does one a day, right? With all their orders. Andy, it's not finished yet. They're not done.
He's not quite there yet.
Don't jinx us, baby. We already got the door on the wrong side. Yeah, I know.
You okay, Clint? Off the muscle?
No, it was a freaking morning.
Hey?
Freaking morning.
You got bit?
Yeah.
Really?
Wow. Is that going in? Oh.
Aren't you glad I cut those branches off like 5 minutes ago? We did. I just like 5 minutes ago. Holy crap, that's tight, Andrew.
Yes, it is. But I have faith in this young man.
I bet you can't back up a car. Does he know how far back to go? Yeah, he is. He's moving it at the back. Hang on here. I gotta try and find a good vantage point. Ow. Ow. Look at that. Hope I don't step in no goose poop. This is incredible. It means so much for Andy. I'm so happy we got it. Watch that. It's going to pick it up from the bottom. That is too cool. Look at that, shifting it from side to side. They don't mind us videoing as long as there's no mistakes. So I promised I'd edit mistakes. Wow. Oh my gosh. And there it goes. The birth of the garage. It's quite the machine, man. Almost. Almost. Holy mother, look at that. This is so cool. And it's home. Yay! I should tell him, no, that's not where I wanted it. Andy, that's not where I want it.
Tell them big guy,
Okay, we're ready. Oh, look at that, Andy. You didn't get to see it.
And then this just latches across here and you can put a padlock in.
Cool.
So sometimes just like that.
Awesome.
Padlock. Pull it up.
How's that, eh?
Yeah, they're better than that, you know, taking the tip, the old style like that.
You wanna,
So we're like, them transporters did. This will open, like it'll just slide across.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And then when you go to pull the door down, it'll go exactly one revolution.
Right.
And it just, top corner. You might have to push down a little bit to get the
Okay, yeah.
that's quite the rig, eh?
That is quite good.
Now, who do I pay the remainder to?
Well, we'll take a check if you got one.
Yeah,
just,
I can.
just made out the old hickory.
Okay, yep.
So where are you guys located?
We're
For
close to Alexandria.
Alexandria? And the name of your company?
We're Fifth Line Shed Transport is the name of our.
Okay,
but
okay.
We deliver for Old Hickory buildings in Canada.
Awesome, awesome. You did a good job. I can't believe you backed this up into here.
I know, this is, and you didn't even have to use that.
That's what I said. I bet he can't drive a car.
Remote control.
I can't back up a car, but I can back this up.
You got some loft materials up there too.
Yeah.
You could do it very easy. Drop some down.
Doors are sticking a little bit.
I'm gonna head out.
Oh, yeah?
Down this way for me.
And there she is from the other side. Very nice. Check this out, Angie, from Life and More Reloaded. Check those. What are these? They look like they're at their end. Do you want to move one over, Andy? Like, yeah, let's see the bottom. She likes to see the... Oh, pull it over again. Look at the way that looks. Here. What is it, Angie? There's a whole bunch of them here. Look at, come in.
Welcome to Andy's garage. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, ding, 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 ding. And subscribe. I'm going to keep telling you to subscribe. All right, we'll see you in the next video.